Alright, so what's up guys? Sorry for the lack of videos lately, it's been pretty crazy at work and everything. But today we got a package in the mail. Now this can be one of three things, so we're going to open this up and take a look inside. Alright guys, so this package is completely light. I definitely know it's some type of spinmaster monster truck. I just don't know what it could be here. So I'm trying to open this and film at the same time. Alright, so give me 1 second. I'm hoping it's a fire and ice truck, but we'll find out here. Alright. Alright, we got the box open. Let's see what happens. I don't know why I keep saying that. Alright, so of course I can't grab the shot. Alright, and as you see, it is out of the box and in the package. So you can clearly see already that it is a fire and ice. And on the back it shows Megalodon and Dragon. And in the front, can't really see it yet, so let's remove this bubble wrap. And here is the unveiling. I'm going to pop this right out. And there we go. As I try to get rid of the glare. Alright, so we got the Fire and Ice Max D, and Dalmatian. Alright, so this was sent to me from California. As you guys know, California and Texas basically get these guys like instantly. So it took like 2 days to get here. Not bad at all. So I'm really happy I got these trucks. These I really wanted. So this is pretty cool to add to the collection. And in my next video, I will be reviewing them. So hopefully I can find them again to have a box that I won't open to go with the collection of Spinmaster Fire and Ice trucks that I have that I'm basically going to store away. But this is pretty cool to get this. Special thanks to my friend in California. He doesn't want to be named or anything, but you know, I respect that. Great packaging, fast shipment, so good stuff, man. And yeah, expect to see a video review on these trucks coming out probably in the next couple days. And then stay tuned Friday for race number 2 of the Monster Jam Throwdown series, or whatever you guys want to call it. So I'll see you guys later in the week with some more videos. Alright, so guys, I just got these in the mail today. And something funny just kind of happened. This truck I recently just picked up as well. But I thought that was going to be the only unboxing today. But we ended up getting another one. So, as you see, this one's off eBay. So this one I basically saw, it was a price I really couldn't refuse. I think it was only like $7. It was basically a snipe on eBay. And if this is the truck I'm thinking it is, which I think it is. So, yeah, without further ado, let's open this one as well. As I'm going to put this down right here. And you guys can have a nice solid view of nothing. Or you know what, I'll just pause it. Alright, so we just got the box open. So I'm already excited about these two. I didn't think these would come that fast. So anyway, like I was saying, I saw Monster Jam OCD's video of Alien Invasion. And I started looking through eBay, seeing if I can find anything. And basically, I ended up finding this one for about, I don't know, I think it was like, all together it came to a total of like, maybe like, I don't know, $9 or something like that, because it was a bid. So anyway, without further ado, the third truck of today, Alien Invasion Ice Edition. This truck looks amazing, dude. This is pretty sick. I am really excited for this. As you guys see the back right here. So, basically the only Fire and Ice trucks I need left are Phoenix. Oh god, I always say Phoenix, man. I mean Wildfire. Oh my god, Wildfire, and I can't even think of who comes with them. Yeti. Wow. So those are the only 2 trucks I need now that are currently released, at least. So this is pretty cool. This truck, I really like this truck. So I was not expecting to get this today, actually. But it's pretty cool that came. So, oh no, we're dropping it and everything. So we got 3 out of the 5 trucks that are currently out at least new wise. And once again, this did come from El Paso, Texas. So Texas, California, all those guys down in that area, you guys are so lucky because you get them like first. But up in Jersey, we don't have any of these trucks yet, so it's pretty cool to get these three at least. I just need the other two Fire and Ice trucks, which I plan on getting soon if I can find them on eBay or maybe if Walmart can find them. And of course, the last truck I brought in the store was the last one I needed for the 124 scales. So yeah, we'll be seeing a review on these trucks shortly, and I hope you guys enjoyed this box opening special or bonus. So I'll see you guys sometime in the future.